My name is Jean-Claude Mouly. I'm the project leader of the VIDRIS project. And my colleague here, Alain Saugy, is acting as consultant for this project. So what is the VIDRIS project? VIDRIS project is something based on a joint development between three companies. One company is a driving school, Daniel, driving school located in Lausanne. And the two other companies are Cyberbotics, which is a small company located in the EPFL, École Polytechnique à Lausanne, who is making the software part of the project, and TFC, which is making the hardware part of the project. So the idea was to build a simulator for driving school. It has nothing to do with competition, with PS4, or what you can imagine for race and competition, etc. It's really something which is dedicated for students who have never, ever went into a car. Okay, so what are the advantages of such a system? So VIDRIS is cheaper than a car, of course. VIDRIS as well is equipped with a moving system which gives the students all the feeling you can have in a real car. But you have to know that VIDRIS is not going to replace completely driving training license in a real car, of course. But to start, it's better to start on a simulator rather than in a real car. And then VIDRIS, okay, that's a technical aspect, is detecting your head movement. I will explain why this is important as well. So here you have, okay, some advantage of the system. I will not go through all of this because it is not the main goal of this presentation. And this is how the system is built. So you will see the system is fully equipped, and it is in the level 1, room number 7. And it's working. So if you want to try it, many people have tried it already today. So you can feel free to come to visit us and to try the system. Okay, but what is interesting is after we start the project, we met with Alain during a mission, and Alain, as you can see here, is not really walking. He's how do you say in English, mobilité réduite. So he's disabled from the birth, and he's working as a computer scientist. And one of his passions is cars. So you see that is a small part of his car properties, because he has many cars, you know. And he could talk for hours of all the experience he had. He also went on a circuit. The left picture there, he was running on a, where? Hockenheim on a circuit with a professional driver sit beside him to teach him how to go very fast. And just for the small story, his license was, he lost his license for the 3 next months. So I can tell you he knows what cars means. Okay. So what are the needs? The needs for the people who have problem to move is, okay, learning. Because at the time, okay, I will not give him the microphone because it will last forever. But at the time, 25 years ago, when he got his driving license, only one person was ability to give lessons to people with disability. One people in Suisse romande. So it was very complicated, it was very expensive, it was very difficult to make the appointments, etc., etc. And now we say that with such a system, if we equipped the driving school with VIDRIS system and adaptation with for disabled people, we can help all the disabled people to access to the fact that they get the driving license very easily. This system is as well suited for testing, for training, and also for fun. Because Alain has a son, and when he goes to Fun Planet, for example, Fun Planet is a game arcade in Villeneuve, where there are a lot of games for kids and adults as well. He cannot do anything because there is nothing suited for disabled people. And that's a shame, because it's not very complicated, you know? So we thought there is a new square here. Our system is adapted for disabled people as well. So we have here, on the right side, you have the Vidris original system, and on the left side, you have all the specific adaptation we can put on the system in order to give access to the disabled people for this simulator. So here we have a kind of SWOT. So of course, okay, I can let you read here. And today's project status, so we have a prototype, again, which is here, level 1, room 7, you can try it. The hardware and the software are already built, so everything is working. We have different scenarios. As we are building ourselves the softwares, we can make it on demand. Means, for example, for the driving school, now they ask for a specific scenario when you want to change the line in your car. You have to look at the mirror, you have to turn your head, and then you have to put the signophile and indicator, and then you can change the line. So this is part of one of the scenario, and in the driving school, this is something which is mandatory if you want to go to the next step. And which is what is very nice as well, because we are managing the software. We are developing the streets around the place where the school driving is located. Means once the students made a few hours on the simulator, and once he goes into a real car, he will recognize, of course, the streets, because he knows already the street from the simulator. So first, this is again a project, a combined project between several companies. Let's say Cyberbotics and TFC Simulations. So in order to completely finish the prototype, we are just looking for something like 25K, just in order to be sure that everything is set up and to develop the last scenario. And if this is done, this is a real small job, because it can be done in less than 1 month. We start to build a company, and this company will have one product, the Vidris simulator. Okay? So come to visit us and try the system. Level 1, room 7. If you want to have some more information or any questions, this is my email address. Okay? That's it. Thank you for your attention.